Today I'll be unboxing the Loungefly Pixar Cars Signs mystery pins. These were released in August of 2025, and they are available exclusively at BoxLunch for $15.90 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. A lot of times these Loungefly boxes only have 1 pin, but these ones have 2 because these do come in a pair. So the pin designs feature a Cars character, and then it also comes with a sign of the store or business that they work at or own. And so this is a 6-pin collection, and the pin designs we can get are Mater with the Tomater sign, Sally with the Cozy Cone Motel sign, Filmore with his Filmore Organic Fuel sign, Flo's with Flo's V8 Café, and Guido and Luigi with Luigi's Casa Della tire sign, and then Ramone with Ramone's House of Body Art sign. So let's open these up and see what we get. I have 7 boxes here to open up, which is 7 pin pairs total. I guess 14 pins total. And I really would like to complete this entire collection. I started collecting more Cars pins last year. I know it's like, 25 years too late, but it would be great to get all of these because I love all of the signs and all of the characters. So let's see what we have here. I'm assuming these are going to be on the smaller side since they do have 2 in the bag. Or yeah, and they're in 1 bag, so it's not 2 bags. So they do seem kind of small. Let's see what we get here. Our first one, we have the Tomater sign. So we have, this is just the sign that's above Tomaters. So you see this in the parks and the movies, of course. But we got the tow truck. Tow cable back there. So that means that we have Tomater signs. So this is going to be Mater, of course. And they should all come together. So they shouldn't be mixed up like you get a Sally with a Tomater sign or anything like that. So we have Mater here, and he's got his tow cable flying back there. He's got those 2 big teeth in the front. That's great. All right, got to have a Mater pin if you're collecting cars, right? See what we get with box 2. So I see some purple. Purple. Ramone? It is Ramone. So we have Ramone. It's always a cool car. Purple car with the flames on the side. And right there. And then this should be his Ramone's House of Body Art. It's awesome. Really cool. It'd be nice if it like blew in the dark or something. Kind of match the neon. Right, so we have Tomaters and Ramone's House of Body Art. Let's see what we get in box number 3. I see yellow. So it is Guido and Luigi. So we have Guido, Luigi, little blue forklift, and then the yellow car there. We got Guido and Luigi, and the Casa Della tires thing went down here. Here we are, Luigi's Casa Della tires. Very nice. These are cool, especially if I can get them all, put them on a pin board. You got all the different shops on Radiator Springs. Missing a few shops though, right? We're missing Sarge and Lizzie's. Yeah, the curio shop. And then this one, I'm looking at the back. I don't know if we've seen this one before, and it's Sally. Awesome. So we have Sally, got the blue Porsche, and then we should have the Cozy Cone Motel sign. Very nice. That's awesome. Got the little car on the cone there with the Z's. Okay, we are putting together the town here. Who are we missing? We're missing Flo's and Filmore's. Nice. Can we get Flo or Filmore? This one feels really heavy. I don't know why it feels, might not be, it might be one of those, but it feels like there's like 3 or 4 pins in this one. And this one is, we have Filmore. So this is the sign that says Filmore's Organic Fuel. And it's a little bit bigger than some of the pins, but it's not quite as big as the Cozy Cone. And maybe Filmore's good sized. He is. He's actually a really big pin. So we have Filmore, the VW bus there, and he's got some flowers and stuff on the side. It says peace. Very cool. So we are missing Flo. We got 2 tries to get Flo. Come on, Flo. Flo's V8 Café. And let's see. And this one did not rip well. Oh, this one looks very similar. This is another Sally. So we have another Sally and another Cozy Cone Motel, which is, if I have to get a double, the Cozy Cone Motel one would be nice to have. All right, so we're down to our last try to get Flo. But really, even if we don't get Flo, then I only have to find, I still have to find 2 pins. Because people who are selling these, they're probably not going to sell them in a set. They're going to sell Flo and the Flo's V8 Café sign. All right, this one feels kind of small. And it's Flo! Awesome! So we have Flo right here, the kind of light blue car. And then this should be, how small is this sign? Can't really get it out of there. There we go. So we have Flo's V8 Café sign. Awesome. Now that would look cool too if that one lit up. But hey, this is the first time ever, I believe, the first time I've ever unboxed a complete collection in the first unboxing. So that's awesome. And then my extra one was Sally and the Cozy Cone Motel sign. So those are good extras to have. This is great. So those were the Loungefly Disney Pixar Cars Signs mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here out of this collection. So out of these 12 pins, my favorite pin is the Cozy Cone Motel pin. I just think that's such an iconic sign in the Cars movie and really the Cars universe. So that is my favorite pin out of these 12. And this was great. I completed the collection in one unboxing. So that has never happened for me before. So this is awesome. And so now I don't have to go around hunting for 1 or 2 pins from eBay or anything like that. I can just go to my pin collection spreadsheet and mark this collection as completed. And yes, I do have a pin collection spreadsheet. I mean, you don't have one of those? Am I the only one? Probably. And I do want to point out that I did get these from BoxLunch online. I know there's some trick or method where if you go into BoxLunch, the store, and they have these Loungefly pins in the case that they came in, and they open that case, and there's a method where you can take some from the first row and some from the 3rd row or something like that, and you can get all of the pins in the collection. So I didn't do that. I just got these from the website. So whoever packed these up for me did a great job. So I want to say thank you to them. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.